living things and non-living things. Things around us may be living or non-living. Features of living things. Living things grow. Living things move. Living things respond. Living things need food. Living things breathe. The sun. We see the sun in the daytime. The sun gives us heat and light. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. Bones. The human body is a framework of bones called the skeletal system. It is made up of 206 bones. The skeleton gives our body its shape. It protects the internal organs like brain, lungs and heart etc. from injury and shock. It also allows movement. Muscles. Muscular system is made up of more than 600 muscles. Different types of houses. Permanent houses or pucca houses are made of bricks, iron and cement. They are very strong and last for a long time. Kutcha houses are made of mud, leaves and straw. They are not very strong. Temporary houses are made of bamboo and thatch.
Subtracting two-digit numbers. Subtract 32 from 68. Minuend, the number from which another number to be subtracted, is called minuend. Subtrahend, the number which is to be subtracted is called subtrahend. Write the minuend on the top. Subtrahend at the bottom, such that the digit. Similarly, write the digit in the tens place of the subtrahend, just below the digit in the tens place of the minuend. Now, start subtracting the digit below, from the digit on the top, in the order starting from ones, tens and so on. First subtract the digit in ones place of the subtrahend, from the first open 8 fingers. Then, fold 2 fingers, so the balance finger is 6. Then similarly, subtract digits in the tens place. open 6 fingers. Then, fold 3 fingers, the balance finger is 3. So, 68 minus 32 equals 36.
Subtraction facts. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. When we subtract a number from the number itself, we get 0 as the difference. One half. Fractions are equal parts or pieces of something larger. A pizza is divided into 2 equal parts. Each part of these equal parts are called halves. One of the 2 parts is called 1 half. Capital letters. Name of people and place begins with capital letter. Ram, Ali, Tom, Osman, John. India, Dubai, Sudan, Everest. Sentence. The sky is blue, Ali has a book. Sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Exclamation mark. Alas, he is dead. What a good boy John is. In a sentence, which expresses some strong feeling or emotion, we use exclamation mark. Gender. A noun that denotes a male is said to be of the masculine gender. Example, boy. A noun that denotes a female is said to be of the feminine gender. Example, girl.